Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our first video about how to use Solidworks macros. Basically, why we use Solidworks macros? Because it automates the Solidworks processes. The time it takes to design, you can see the time it takes to design this washer. It almost took 1 or 2 minutes. But if we use the Solidworks macros, it can hardly take 2 to 3 seconds to design this washer. So let's try with the example. Here I have created one micro button. You need to just click on it. It will ask for the OD of your washer required. I am considering it 50 mm, and the ID I am considering 6.6 mm, and the thickness, let's consider it 4 mm. Once you click on this command button, the SolidWorks automatically create the washer for you. Here is the input we have provided. This one is 50 mm, the ID is 6.6 mm, and the thickness you can see that it's 4 mm. Here in just a second and one click of a button you can create this washer. There are lots of process we can automate with SolidWorks. So let's to record a SolidWorks micro. What we have to follow: first of all, we have to search for micro option in your SolidWorks command here. Here I have click on tool. You can see here micro option is available. Or else what you can do, you can click on here micro. You can see that. Once you click on it, the micro option will be available here. So there are four options. First one is run micro. You can run the existing micro. Here is the next option is record micro. After that there is new micro and edit micro. We will see later what these two do. First of all, we will click on this record option. Once you click on it, the same process you have to follow that you generally do to create any kind of part or washer. Here I have selected part option. Then I am selecting a plane. In plane for washer we need a circle. Here I have coins given constraint to the origin. Now I am selecting dimension. Let's consider it 50 mm. Then again circle of 6.6 mm. After that you need to go to feature option and extrude was need to be selected. Here I am selecting a thickness of 4 mm. After that I already in previous washer selected the chamfer option, so here I am selecting chamfer option as well. So I am selecting the edges. Why do we need to select edges? I will tell you later. So 0.5 mm of chamfer. This is the washer we have recorded. Now you can stop the recording. This recording will be saved as a .swp file. So I am giving name as washer underscore 3. This is the process to record the micro. So let's see what we have recorded. To check, we need to click on this run micro, because run micro does select the existing file and run it washer 3 underscore here. So I have selected and open it. Now you can see this automatically convert the washer for you. Previously we have given input of 50 mm, so it will ask for the input. Currently we have not created the user form of it, that's why it is asking for input. Once you give the input, the washer is automatically gets converted. Now in the next chapter we will see about the programming. That programming need to be edited because there are a lot of space that get occupied, and the programming has to be in a proper way, so everyone can read it. So in the next chapter we will see about how to edit the what recorded programming, and we will also create the user form like this one, so you can add in your SolidWorks and enjoy it. Thank you.